everybody, and welcome back to TMC Lifestyle. Today, this is an impromptu video. I had to take my daughter to testing this morning, and I received an alert that something was on my front porch. So I was like, get out the car, and I was headed home. But this is what we got, and she did make it home safe. She's right behind my other camera daughter, so yeah, she made it home safe. She said she did a great job with the test. So, fingers crossed. All right, so I could not wait to open this. And as you can see behind me, we have more unboxings go. So, y'all gonna see the same outfit and everything. As I'm busy. My room is a mess. Super busy. So, I told her, grab the camera. We're gonna do all these unboxings back to back. So, you're gonna see the same outfit and everything. So, bear with me. We're also gonna have some makeup soon. It's coming. I bought some new makeup. So y'all look out for it. All right, so you all know that Coach just had the pink drop. And I'm shocked at the shipping. Like, this came super fast. As we know, give y'all a little bit of suspense. As we know, I love my Coach Rowans. That is my Coach Rowan with khaki and flower print. Also, this is my Coach Rowan with signature. I think that's dark brown or something like that, and red. Okay, so I just wanted to keep that going. When I got to the site, the Coach Rowan that's the same size as those was sold out. I think that was on sale for $159. It was sold. Y'all beat me to it. I went to do something. I can't even remember what it was that day. I just logged off for a second. When I got back, it dropped and that was sold out. So you guys were fast. But anyway, I did the large Rowan. Oh no. So, there she is. And this is my first pink bag ever. Now my daughters, they're into pink a little bit more. One daughter more than the other. And she was like, Mommy, you need a pink bag. She's been telling me this for months. And I was just like, it needs to be a Coach. So this is
it's pretty.
The large pink Rowan in signature. It is absolutely gorgeous, y'all. It's so pretty, y'all. In my MissToya voice. MissToya, if you're watching, we love you. Every time we go to every time we go to the store, we say something that's cute or pretty. We say it in your voice. It's so pretty, y'all. Okay, so it's beautiful.
It's the perfect shade of pink.
That is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. That is gorgeous. So we're going to cut away for just a second. Let me cut all of this stuff off so you guys can see it. All right, friends. So we have taken off all of her bandages. And she is absolutely like breathtaking. It's beautiful. Now I actually have to buy pink clothes. I really don't have a lot of pink, but I knew I wanted a pink bag. I might have 2 or 3 shirts that are pink. I don't know, but that's what she's looking like. And on the inside, it's a deeper color. I'm not sure what color that is.
Clay.
No.
Powder.
I don't know. I have to look it up and I'll put it on the screen. I know the outside is powder pink. Not sure what they're calling this color on the inside. But you see you got a big pocket there, and that pocket buttons closed. And on this side you have the big zipper pocket with the Coach tag in there. All gold hardware. You have the big zipper on the back. And she has stilettos. Beautiful. Beautiful. So let's look at her compared to one of the smaller Rowans. So this is my most recent short you guys saw. I just added this. Actually, I'll show you guys this charm as well. I did purchase this charm the other day. I saw it go down to about 45 bucks, I think it was. So I said I'll go ahead and get it now. But that's a cute charm. And I might put it on there. It kind of matches the inside a little more. But I might. That's the key charm from Coach. But let's go back to this. So the regular Rowan, all decked out for spring, and then the large. So you get an idea. And the little Rowan here, or the regular size Rowan, has stilettos as well, or red bottoms, and she's super cute. I never carry the Rowan's crossbody or anything like that, so I won't be using the straps, but you know, you see how I have it on the crook of my arm there, like that. That's how I carry them. So let's see. Yes. Are we cute?
Of course.
Yeah.
I think the pink suits you.
Yeah.
Is it cute?
You have to try it cross body, I think, but on the arm, that is still cute.
You think so? Now they give you a beautiful strap. I love the thick straps from Coach. Beautiful strap came with it. Very nice. And you see it says Coach all the way around there. So let's see. Of course I have to adjust it for my height if I did wear it. I don't think I'm gonna wear it. I hear her, but I don't think I'm gonna wear it like that. I never do. Plus I think it gives me a little bit of back strain. Not to mention my own, you know. That's possible. That is definitely where my back pain is coming from, my chest area, whatever. But I do notice when I carry purses that may be a little heavy, crossbody, like when we went to Disney a lot, I would carry certain purses and I would always end up being the person holding all of the souvenirs. So I would have everything in my crossbody, and it would, like, at the end of the night, my back and everything would hurt so bad. So that's what it's looking like. So I just stopped the crossbody thing. The only purse I wear crossbody is my Jess from Coach. I think in the other video I said Jessie. It's not Jessie. That purse that I show you guys is called Jess. But that's what it looks like crossbody. So I don't know. What y'all think?
I like it without it.
But it's cute. It's cute. And this strap could be used for anything. Because both of them I think have pink Coaches. I bought them. Or you have a pink Coach.
Yeah, I have them.
Do you have a Coach with pink on it, at least? I don't know. I don't remember. Because one of my daughters is not really the pink girl.
I have a pink Michael Kors, I think.
Oh, okay. Yes. Yeah. All pink. Yeah. Okay. They had this stuffed, y'all. This purse was stuffed. But I am super happy with my purchase. Going to find some more cute clothes to wear with this. Gotta break this out sometime over the summer. But y'all, it's beautiful. It's gorgeous in person. So pretty. So pretty, y'all. And special shout out to Miss Dazzle Me 77. I think that's her name. I'll put a link for her channel down below. You guys have your enablers. Okay, that's first of all. I've been watching MissToya and Dazzle Me and Pretty Pink Things. I think that's her name. And the completed look. And I have bought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 purses since January. I'm definitely on a no buy. This is it. I'm not buying anything. I might buy pouches to go inside the purses, but no more purses. So I'm saying it out loud so you guys can hold me accountable. I'm not buying any more until after the summer, maybe. Okay, so that's it. So stay tuned, you guys. We're gonna leave off on this video, and since I'm up and feeling like it, we're gonna go ahead and do 2 unboxings for Dooney and Berg. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Cyber kisses. Bye.